Alrighty, so this is my strife. Vehicle garage. Man TGX box truck. 10K retrieval price. Please don't pull into the garage. Alright. Retrieve. My vehicle is ready. Now, if I come over here, as you can see, I'm not going to get in it, because last time I did, it exploded. And, yeah, you see this goes through up there. And, as you can see, you can see my predicament right here. Yeah, so there's no getting it out of the garage. Maybe I can get someone to get inside of it and kill themselves. That is the mystery.
User in your channel timed out.
Hey, Marie.
Yeah.
Hey, can you try to move this truck?
User joined your channel.
Oh, knowing her, she will blow up.
Officer,
Oh.
we have a problem with this truck.
Sir, stop! Don't move the truck! Don't move it! Afraid you ain't gonna be able to get this out of here.
Yeah, I don't understand, you know, I don't know why. Officer, don't get in there! It's a death trap! Oh! Oh!
Fucking made me enter it? Are you kidding me? We
I...
are friends for
Sir, what do you wanna do about it? You wanna get a tow truck out to it?
I'll just go call this guy over here. This is where I usually park it, and he could just fold down the back and put it in my garage.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I started bleeding because I entered this truck. You need some
User left your
freaking,
channel.
I'm sorry.
there.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you a mechanic?
As you can see, the truck is fucked.